everyone, how are you? Welcome back. I know I haven't posted a video in a while. Sometimes I take breaks in between posting on YouTube, but I have a small little haul in front of me from Shein. I just did kind of like an unboxing on my TikTok account, but with some of the items I got, I'm going to do a whole organizational thing. So let me show you what I quickly got from my order. I got all of these nail decals. So a whole bunch of like flowers and everything. I thought these were really cute. I bought more swatch sticks, but this time I bought like the oval ones because I needed more desperately. If anyone's been following me with my nail journey on Instagram, you've noticed that I've been getting into extreme nails with using silicone molds. In this butterfly, I used a silicone mold. So I bought two more. Bought this one here and this one. So I have a couple ideas what I want to use these for, and I'm not going to share just quite yet. I also bought another container. So this container here, I have a couple of these, and this is a little bit smaller. I also have one a lot bigger. So these are the different size containers that I have, and I keep some of my stuff in here that I've done. So this one, I have all of these in here. So I can keep this out on display. And then any of my extreme nail sets that I've been practicing, I keep in here. But I needed a container to put this in. So I bought this. That way I can just pop this in this way. And I made sure it was tall enough so that way when I close it, it would actually hold it down. So what I'm going to do, since I have nothing on the back side here, I'm actually just going to put a strip of double-sided tape to hold this down. This is the double-sided sticky tape. I'm just going to do that much. I don't want a big amount, just something small enough. I don't need a lot, just something small enough so that way this could stay in place. Maybe I need to move that down a little bit. Might take off some of this, but I'm not gonna cry over spilled milk. I'm not gonna get that upset over it. I just want this to sit in something. So there we go. Now I have this in a case. Now the main reason for this video, I bought two of these booklets from Shein, and they hold 80 total in here. So I bought these to hold all of my foils because all of this is taking up so much room. I want something smaller. This is smaller than this. So let's reorganize everything. I'm going to start with my solid colors, and then we'll just kind of go through. So all of these are rolled up. So unroll these. And then stick them in here. There we go. let me show you how I'm folding these. So I decided that I'm going to keep these folded in half because you can see how long this is. So I'm going to keep this folded in half. I'm going to pop my finger in here and go over like this. I'm just going to wrap this around till I get it like the width that I need it in the book. I'm just gonna do one of these, pop my fingers out, and then slide this right in. I just finished emptying one box. This had all solid colors, and this is what it looks like when it's all folded up. So I went from this to this. I have, if my fingers want to work, if they don't, I have plenty of room left over. So, and I will save this just in case I need it. I have 26 spots left. So, from ENG, and this is the foil set. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with these. I'm gonna unravel them and just fold them back up. That way it's just easier, like this. And slide this in. So, but now here's the thing. I have this left in these 4, and I don't think I bought enough of these from Shein, which means that I'm gonna have to order more of these. But that's okay. These were inexpensive. I think these were like under $5. These were under $5. That's why I bought like 2 of them. So I got 2 of these basically for like under 5. I'm gonna have to order more of these. But okay, I am gonna say these, the Easter ones, I haven't really used these since I bought them, so I'm gonna put these in a giveaway pile. Now all that's left is this. So what I might do, since these 3 containers are smaller, I'm just gonna keep these how they are right now. And then when I get more of these, I'll transfer them over. But this big one, I wanna move these over to here. So I have most of my flowers in one, but I see in here, I have this and this. And I'm gonna put these in here. And these are kind of like your really cool like marble oil slick foil, which is really quick and easy nail art. If you want to see me do a video on how I apply these, like a foil tutorial video, let me know in the comments if you want to see me do like a foil tutorial video. Okay, I'm officially done. So, just for reference, okay, I went from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes full. I did get rid of 5. Nope, hold on. So, all of these boxes, 2 large boxes, 1, 2, 4 small boxes. I did have a 5th one, and as I said that I put in a giveaway pile because I don't use those. So I went from here to here, right there. All of those foils fit in here. So next time I order from Shein, I'm probably going to still get a couple more, because this one I have colors, and let me show you what I have in everything just to remind you. Okay. So this one is, I have solid colors, and then I have like marble and like oil ink kind of foils. This one, there's a lot. I have tons of flower foils, and I have some random shapes. Then you're getting into animal prints and butterflies. So if I get another one, I'll probably get like 1 or 2 more, so that way I can take all of the animal print and I can have that in its own one, and the oils, like marble ones, will probably go in its own. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to label the sides with my P-Touch, with my label maker, so that way I know what's in there, and I'm going to put it, actually, I'm going to put it right on top, so I know what's in here and I don't have to fuss around rummaging through the handy dandy label maker. This label maker I bought from Amazon, and I do have it linked in my storefront. My Amazon storefront is going to be in the description. Okay. So I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to put the label on like the top corner. So therefore, I know what's inside. Besides the fact that you can clear, I know someone's going to say, but you can see it. I know I can see that there's flowers, but I still want to know what's inside. I hope you liked today's little organizational kind of video, I hope you liked today's organizational video. If you would like to see me use these foils in a how-to video between like the prints or any of the solid colors or any of these, let me know in the description box below. I can't really point you in the direction of where I got these foils because I've been collecting these throughout my career. I kind of don't remember where I got most of these foils, so I can't really help you and point you in the right direction. But the 2 companies that I bought some of these from, I will post them into the description box. And as I said, if you would like the label maker, that one is in my Amazon storefront, and that is always going to be linked in the description box below. I will talk to everyone later, and I'll see you soon. Bye.